Back here with a look at Polygon. All right, this is a super important video out there for you people that hold this token, including me. All right, I want to go over a couple things here. Bitcoin is breaking out of a wedge. All right, first off, I'm going to show you that because this is all tying in together. Okay, over here on Bitcoin, I want to make sure I got my chart with my wedge on it here. Here we go. All right, let me open this up here. All right, this thing has broken out of the top side of this wedge. If we go in on an hourly, you can see the breakout there. Okay, doesn't look like a fake out. Looks like it's doing a retest and going here. All right, the measured move for this breakout is $45,000. All right, right around 45,000 bucks. Slide this down a little bit. There we go, right over that way, right close to 45 grand. All right, where's that come into here? Please stick with me here, guys. Hang in here with me a second, please. All right, this is going to benefit you. All right, now usually you get a 618 or 702 retracement here. Okay, look at that, comes right up to 45,000. That's your 618 fib level. After that, I believe this thing's coming down. All right, how low? Well, it's this would end up being a big A, B, and your C leg. You would measure out a 1-for-1 ratio with your A wave. If you don't know how to do this, guys, please sign up for a level 3 membership. Bull run's coming. All right, you got to have a leg up on everybody. If you don't, you're gonna, not saying for sure what's going to happen to you, but for 15 bucks, that's a level 3 membership. 8 hours of videos to teach you how to do all this stuff, measure out your ABCs, wedge, everything you can think of is in there. And I'm running that right now. After this bull run starts, that price is definitely going up. We have that gets you access to our Discord membership, where we have members over there all the time talking, and it's worth it, guys. It really is. For 15 bucks just to learn how to use this Fibonacci is worth its weight in gold. Just that alone, but 8 hours worth of videos, there's tons of stuff in there. All right, now where does this come in, this number come in down here? All right, well, what I'm looking for Bitcoin is right around a 618 retracement. Okay, look at that. Look where this ABC comes in, right down 34, what is it, 34.5, 34.6, something like that. Right around 34,000 bucks for 618. That's where I truly believe Bitcoin's coming. That's going to make it a big A, B, and your C leg. All right. Then once this is over, we can start our bull run. Now to go back over to Polygon, how's that going to affect it? All right. Well, let's take a look here. All right. Matic. I'm used to calling it Matic. You know what I mean? I got in this thing when it was 2 cents. All right, so I'm used to calling it Matic. It's kind of odd for me to call it Polygon, but it is what it is. All right, now on this move here, all right, we haven't really we had a 50% retracement on here, but that was basically about it. Okay, now what I'm looking for here, that's on a weekly. It's going a 4-hour time frame. All right, you can see this break of this resistance line, a retest. It kind of messed around here a little bit. Now it looks like it wants to pop up here. All right, the measured move for this thing, if we take our trend-based Fibonacci, go from our low of wave 1 to our high of wave 1 to the retracement. All right, is up around 93 cents. Okay, now where would that put us with a fib, on here? All right, on this one here, it would put us right through the 786. On this one up here, where would that put us? All right, go back to this move here. Well, look at that. That puts us up right around the 702 Fibonacci area, 93 cents. Okay, if this all works out, this looks like it's working a 5th wave right now. I was looking at a couple things here. So this trend-based fib, if I end up taking it, let's go in on a 1 hour. All right, and if this is a wave 1 and it starts down here, all right, say it starts right here, that's the high, that's the retracement right there. Okay, that puts us up about 90 cents. Okay, 90 cents. All right, where's that put us on a Fibonacci for this whole move here? All right, that brings us up through a 702. All right, now on this bigger one, that puts us right near a 618, right about 90 cents. Okay, a 618, 89 cents. That would end up being, you would have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then your fifth wave up here. All right, up towards 90 cents. That's the projected target for it. All right, your third wave came up to here. Right, so our fifth wave, you know, would have lots of room to come up here. Could have come up higher, sure. You know, it could have come up to 93 cents here, 90 to 93 cents. All right, then I think it's going to get rejected from there, and then we're going to have a correction, just like everything else is going to. All right, once Bitcoin hits that 45,000 bucks, what kind of correction could that be? All right, if this thing comes up to 90, if it comes up to a, you know, this 618. All right, then this whole thing could end up being a big, and this is happening with a lot of tokens, guys, not just, you know, big A, B, and where would this C leg go? Well, your A wave and your C wave are of equal length. All right, so to pull this down on top, you know, believe it or not, it's giving a target down here about 56 cents. Okay, how's that realistic? Absolutely. We've been down there before, down to 50 cents down here. All right, so be super careful, guys. This thing gets up towards that 90 cent area, you know, and if it does, Bitcoin could run up tonight and knock out that 45 grand and party over for a little bit. Okay, but once we get this over with, you know, then it's onward and upward. The bull run starts. So we'll be looking at a few things here for sure. You know, I think Matic is going to have a hell of a bull run, quite honestly. You know, and could this thing come up to 93 or 97? Sure, yeah, it absolutely could, but I just don't think that fifth wave is going to get that high. I think about you know, 90 cents is a pretty decent high for this thing, and that would take you off the fib right up here. All right, that'd be a 618, 86 to 90 cents. All right, right now we're at we're about 81. Okay, so that's still a pretty decent run up here, but you know, you got the daily RSI turning back up here. Right here it's bullish, a 75 and a 70. The 12 hours turned up 54 to 36. The 8 hour is bullish, you know, so you're looking for a push out of this thing. How much is that upward? Well, from here, that's another, you know, it's only 11%. You know, so watch for 90 to 93 cents, guys, and then be super careful, all right? If it gets up there. If Bitcoin runs up quicker and faster, then it's not going to, but I would expect it to finish this fifth wave up. That's only another 11% up here. Then we'll see what happens. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.